Hi folks, welcome to Chiefkirk Outdoors. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a fired up Friday, but I'm going to use this tiny little old flint and steel kit that my buddy Dominic Minischetti sent me, and I'm going to see if I can get a fire with this little old bitty thing. Now inside you'll see that it's got char cloth and flint, and this necklace that he gave me has a small steel on it. So I'm going to make an attempt at making a fire with that. And we'll see how it works out. I'm going to tear this char cloth in half, which will expose more fibers. And it's just a little old tiny piece of flint right here. I don't know if you can see that very well or not. And hopefully I can get a spark off of that and make this happen. It's almost too small for me to hold on to. I may have to go to a larger piece of flint. That's throwing good sparks. And we got ignition. Now see if we can get some flame. And we got flame. So I'm impressed. Now that's pretty awesome. This little old bitty steel and the little bitty tiny piece of flint that that I laid down here, I'm gonna have trouble finding again, but I will. I'll find. There it is. Almost lost it that quick. But just these two little tiny items right here in that little bitty tin would have, in an emergency, saved my life. Now, I think that's pretty awesome. So, my buddy Dom, thank you, buddy. This is real handy. Folks, thank you for being with me on this little fun experiment. I appreciate you being here. It's hot out here today too, by the way. That's why I'm down here in the shade. So, till I see you next time, happy Fatwood Friday, happy Fired Up Friday. God bless you. Don't forget to tell somebody you love them, because tomorrow may not be here. Thank you.